Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What happened? Why is your cousin sad? Huh? Why is your cousin sad? Wow. Wow, Melody. Can't believe you did that, honey. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Why is your cousin crying? Is he hungry? Should we go get his bottle? Should we go get his bottle, beautiful girl? Thank you for doing that. Thank you so much for doing that. Let's go get his bottle, okay? Say bye to the camera, honey. Say bye, camera. Melody. Melody, look over here. Look. Hi. Say bye.